What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Tauheedah Hawkins here. Guys, for today's product review, I will be covering Philadelphia plant-based cream cheese. So without further ado, you guys, let's dive on into this. Taste-wise, this was slamming. Quick tangent. When I was a kid, I absolutely grew up on cheesecakes around the holidays, the wing dips, and using this in addition to whatever you're making to make like a really slamming pasta dish. So for me, Philadelphia has like nostalgia written all over it. When I saw that they had a plant-based option, I was like, oh my gosh, I'm grabbing this immediately. And boy, am I happy I did. The minute you open it up and you're looking right smack dab at it, it literally looks like non-vegan cream cheese all day long. Cost-wise, this one comes in at $5.69. I grabbed this right at Harris Teeter. Speaking of which, you can find it there. You can find it at Publix. You can find it at Target. Full disclosure, Philadelphia is actually a part of the parent company, Kraft and Heinz. So when you type in Philadelphia cream cheese in Google, it'll take you to that parent company. And I'll be honest, I'm not like the most tech savvy person in the room. So as I was trying to navigate the website, I was kind of struggling a little bit, and I was like, you know what? There's other ways. So I literally just typed in Philadelphia plant-based cream cheese just to see where I could find it locally in my neck of the woods. And that was what showed me, okay, I can get it at Harris Teeter, I can get it at Publix, I can get it at Target. So I'm gonna tell you one thing, when they start selling this at Walmart, I am buying it by the boatload because I'm sure it's gonna be a little cheaper too. So cook time, guys, we're just gonna go ahead and obviously skip past cook time because that isn't really relevant here. In closing, y'all, I am so satisfied with this product. If Philadelphia has like strong nostalgia for you like it does for me, then I think it will be kind of special using this in your kitchen. I cannot wait to perfect my vegan Oreo cheesecake and my vegan peanut butter cheesecake. So once I have that ready to go, I'll be putting it on my channel. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Be blessed.